JavaScript functions can be a great way to add extra functionality to your HTML pages. One such example is the IbComposer setCalendarDateRange function, which allows you to set the range of days for a target calendar depending on a specified date in a source calendar. The function includes the following arguments: the name of the target calendar control, the start and end date for the range. Let's look at an example. As you can see here, this HTML page contains two calendar controls, with the IbComposer setCalendarDateRange function already applied. If you switch over to the embedded JavaScript view, you can see that the target calendar is calendar2, which is a control on the HTML page. You can also see that instead of specifying a start and end date, they are defined by variables that change depending on user selections at runtime. Specifically, in this case, the from date value is defined by the date in the source calendar, calendar1, and the to date value is indirectly controlled by the value entered in the text box edit1. In design view for the HTML page, use the settings panel to make sure the date format being used matches the one in your data source. Based on the embedded JavaScript in this HTML page, when you enter a number into the text box, the target calendar shows the range of dates. This is one example of how you can leverage JavaScript and the IbComposer setCalendarDateRange function to enable additional functionality in your HTML pages. To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.